G'day guys and girls, Scott from Scroppers Detailing. So I want to introduce you to our System X product, Revive. It's our external black trim rejuvenator. So what I've done is I've cleaned the surface down with isopropyl alcohol mix just to make sure we've got all the oils and greases that sit on top out of it. Very simple product to use, and we can either come out and apply it for you or you can apply it yourself. So we can show you this product if that's where you want to go. So very simple application. Obviously the UV's attacked the plastics over years, and it has removed the UV blockers that are in the plastics. Hence it goes its grey colour. Now System X Revive returns it to black, and being a ceramic based product, you get between 18 and 24 months out of this product. Obviously if it's a shed vehicle, quite possibly you'll get longer. If it's in the elements constantly, so she's a daily driver, it will not so much affect the longevity of it, but obviously if it's out in the elements, it's going to be subject to those UV rays and environmental impacts that they wouldn't have if it was a shed vehicle, so you can expect it not to go the full distance. But super easy to apply. Just got to make sure that you've got that surface clean of oil and grease, dirt, etc., so that the product, when you apply it, will bond to the surface without any issues. And yeah, she turns it back to black from that hideous dull black, light grey colour that these things tend to do. And I think one thing to really make a note of is a lot of new vehicles coming out on the market have got these black trims around the bottom, front bumpers, rear bumpers, your door trims, etc. They're overusing black trim to cut down cost by not painting them, and over time you're going to get that sun damage, which is going to turn grey. I'm sure we've all seen them driving around where they get the you can see the extrusion lines in the plastics over time, and it's very untidy look. So if you can hit it with this product when it's a brand new car, well, if it's not a brand new car, hit it. It won't remove the extrusion marks if they're already there, but we can assist in returning those plastics from grey to black. And there you have it. That's now gone from grey back to black. It's not a super glossy finish, so it keeps it like a natural black finish. Now that's one coat. If you wanted to, you could do a second coat on there. It's not necessarily going to make it blacker, but what you're doing is you're adding more product into the plastic, so it's actually soaking in, and you're just going to give it a bit more time as in durability by having a bit more on there. So one of these bottles, a 65ml bottle, you use very little, and obviously as your applicator's wet after the first use, you're using very little for the second application. So a small bottle like that goes a long way. So you might find you'll get minimum 10 applications on a single vehicle out of it. You may find if you've got a collection of vehicles that you'll get up to 10 vehicles out out of a bottle. So that's our Trim Restorer product, Revive. That's back to black, and that will stay that way for 12 to 18, 24 months, obviously depending on use. This vehicle's outside quite a lot, so 5 days a week she's out in the sun. So we'll keep a track along and see how she goes. But I'm very excited for this product. Works really well. If you want us to apply it for you, let us know. If you want to do it yourself, let us know. We'll save you a bottle, we'll show you how to apply it. Very, very, very easy to use. Right guys, appreciate it.